Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel Rudi Diary. Today I'm going to visit the Hog Wild Bali by Chef Bruno. As soon as you enter the restaurant, you will not help but be delighted to see pigs everywhere. Represented through paintings, decorative piggies collected from Bali and other parts of the world. Each of these carefully curated artworks is a unique part of their identity. When it comes to tempting treats, one can never quite forget the Hog Wild experience. It's a pleasure that starts from the most infectious vibe and culminates with the most wicked barbecue pork ribs this side of Bali. To the many who have enjoyed this deliciousness, having Hog Wild whenever, wherever, may well be a dream comes true. All the pork served at Hog Wild is free-range Balinese pork. I ordered the fries. The fries itself is the perfect size and it is thick and dense, ideal for supporting the main dishes. I ordered the wicked ribs full rack of pork ribs with the option of original sweet and tangy sauce or ginger honey barbecue. The addicting smokiness and caramelized stickiness that envelop the whole slab is a true testament to finger-licking good. The meat is grilled to just the right doneness, that it remains firm and only falls off the bone when you pry into it. Besides the ribs, I did order the pork knuckle as well. Pork knuckle that's sometimes called pig knuckle. Don't let appearances fool you. Pork knuckle might not win many beauty pageants, but one taste is all it takes to fall head over heels. The pork knuckle in Hog Wild is 1.2 kilograms of crackling and juicy pork knuckle served on a bed of fresh green lettuce and carrot. Overall, the food here is outstanding. It's a great place to hang out with their fantastic meal. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, press like button and share to your friends. See you at the next video.